Welcome back to Autoscope 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. Exterior aerodynamic and iconic design, inspired by the streamlined lines of Ferrari racing vehicles. The exterior of this motorhome features an aerodynamic design that is both aesthetically beautiful and useful for stability and fuel efficiency. Strong and lightweight materials, aeronautical aluminum and carbon fiber are two examples of advanced composite materials that are frequently employed. Futuristic lighting, the front and rear lighting both make use of sleek adaptive matrix LED technology. The renowned Ferrari, known as the Prancing Horse, is placed strategically in a number of places. Inside, adaptive lighting with smart lighting system that adjusts intensity and color temperature to reduce eye strain throughout long workdays. Flexible walls, sliding walls, or smart glass barriers that can be turned transparent or opaque. Interactive projection screen, a huge projection screen or LED video wall for presentations, data analysis, and team brainstorming. Featuring an excellent surround sound system. Ergonomic seating, exquisite leather seats with an ergonomic design provide the best possible comfort during extended sessions. A bed with a memory foam mattress that can be lowered or firmed up is called an adaptable bed. This high-end entertainment system features a hidden OLED TV, a hi-fi sound system, and lightning-fast internet connectivity for personal leisure and communication. Individual climate control. Every suite has a climate control system to maintain the proper humidity and temperature. This high-tech gourmet kitchen has a convection oven, a smart refrigerator, induction cookware, and a professional-grade espresso coffee maker. Formal and informal dining area, cozy chairs, and a dining table that can be folded up or extended. Powered by artificial intelligence AI smart home system, the motorhome's lighting, temperature, audio-visual, security, and even crew schedules and preferences are all managed by a central artificial intelligence system. Smart glass technology. This technology lets you change the opacity of windows,